Tekmar Garden Lighting, the right lighting for your garden. Tekmar Garden Lighting is a 12-volt plug-and-play lighting concept that's extremely easy to install and very safe. The range of Tekmar Garden Lighting is very extensive. In the brochure, you'll find everything you need for a complete lighting solution. How does it work? Simple, really. With the help of a rough sketch of your garden, you use our three-phase plan. 1. You choose the lights. 2. You choose the correct transformer. 3. You choose the cables. And with the help of your homemade shopping list, which you'll find in the back of the Garden Lights brochure, you go to one of the many garden centres or garden lighting dealers in your area where you'll find all the necessary materials. These retailers are aware of the technical aspects of garden lighting and will help you if you have any questions. All of Tekmar's lights are very simple to install. You only need a screwdriver. Besides the standard included halogen bulb, you can also choose a special LED light source. These are mentioned separately in the brochure. The garden lighting range is an energy-saving, environmentally friendly concept because most of the lights are equipped with exchangeable, energy-saving LED bulbs. In the clear, consumer-friendly manual, you'll find all you need about the assembly of the relevant products. The lights include spikes and ground fittings so that the lights can be placed directly in the ground or onto a solid base like wood or stone. It isn't necessary to bury the 12-volt cables in the ground. Garden lighting is also very easy to install in existing gardens. Garden lighting is the most flexible system. The lights are easy to connect through a handy plug-and-play screw connection. Don't forget, tighten the cap to make it waterproof. When the lights are installed, you only have to connect the transformer. The transformers are splash-proof and can be installed outside. The connection of the main cable to the transformer is the same simple plug-and-play screw connection as the lights. Garden lighting brings atmosphere but also functionality to mark a path, drive or highlight objects. With the purchase of garden lighting, you choose a high-quality, simple, safe and environmentally friendly product. Garden lights, 12-volt, simple and safe.